here put you all at risk. I understand that now. I've been in denial. I've been working on a complete change of identity. And when it's done, I'll leave and I won't come back.
Michelle, wait. Let's talk about this.
There's nothing to talk about, Carlton. I'm tired of being the demon in the family story.
You're not a demon, Mom.
I've certainly not been an angel.
None of us have been angels. Well, except you, Tiffany.
Thank you.
Really?
I mean, maybe not the angel with wings, but...
Tiffany, I would quit. No.
Okay. Let me get back to my research.
Michelle, we keep bringing up the past, talking about past issues. But we now talk about the solutions.
Carlton, look. There's nothing that we can do right now to fix any of
Yeah,
this.
but Michelle, look. No matter how dysfunctional we are as a family, we are still family. There must be a way we can fix this. We have to look out for each other.
What do you suggest?
I don't have a suggestion or solution now, but I'm sure we can think of something. What's so funny?
The first time I met you, I remember saying to Marcos, "Is that what I name Fathead?"
Fathead? Really?
Carlton, I've always had feelings for you.
Michelle,
Listen, I'm just trying to get it out. I loved Marcos, but I was mostly attracted to you. But I do understand.
for what it's worth, I was attracted to you.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Go tell your lover that you've been getting your love from me, yeah. You found another, and that's okay if you're honest, babe. You got to take a hold of your life, make it right, babe. You have so much to show for yourself, yeah. Take control of